I'm Sifatullah Islam. I'm the founder of Sifatullah Writing Academy and I'm the instructor of your English handwriting. So you might be seeing a lot of my handwriting videos and you might be interested in this course, how I actually conduct these classes. So we have total 20 classes in this course. Every day we learn 5 letters in a class and in a week we are conducting a 3 days class in 11 p.m. in Bangladesh. But you are from different part of the world. Someone from Pakistan, Afghanistan, USA, and I hope United States. So we are doing in different countries. So we conducted in this time in Bangladesh that is 11 p.m. So please match your country time and join in the perfect time. So this is the first class. So exactly, I'm doing some basic thing. What actually you need to do and how you actually improve your handwriting. What's the main reason you can't maintain your handwriting
Jadi dah
when
sus
there's a
pas ba.
perfect situation? So I will explain everything. So I hope this class will be the interesting and I'm super excited to teach you. If you're excited and excited to learn, I'm sure you will definitely get benefited on it. So before I started, I just slightly ask you a question. Do you have any handwriting that you've written in the previous time? Is anyone there? Those whose handwriting was a little bad or good, please show me. Then I will start this class. If you have, so please show me or not. So don't
Lihat for
need
puli.
it so much. Okay, so in this class, I will exactly show you how you actually write English letters, how you actually write small letters, capital letters, and then the second step we will learn small letters. Third step we learn word making. Then we will learn exactly handwriting. So in these classes, this is the first classes, so we will learn exactly 5 letters. In every classes we will learn 5 letters and how actually you write and how you can show me when I write and teach you how you can write A or other letters. Then you just need to write again in one line. Then you have to show me and I'm just checking your writing. Is it the right way you are maintaining or not? I will just check. So this is the first class, so I will start from the beginning. This is the very first time. So I'll start from the basic letters A and it is the capital letter. So how actually you write capital letters? Okay, so let's see what I'm gonna doing here and I'll teach you how actually you write perfectly A. So if you want to improve your English handwriting or other handwriting, so definitely you need to learn proper steps to maintain all the letters. So this is our first class and we will learn write how to write A. Okay. So this is A and how you can write A. So this is the first thing you need to do. You need to write some bent line, but you need to write straight. So this is the baseline basically, but you need to write straight. If you just bend the line, you can't write perfectly. So that is the very important thing you need to learn and you need to write perfectly. So if you want to learn perfectly your handwriting or improve your letters, so definitely you need to write straight line. So if you have any questions, please ask me. What's your pace?
The page you send in the WhatsApp group, I have photocopied it. Can I start writing this one that you write on the page?
Yes, definitely. You need to copy or photocopy. So then what I'm saying, what I'm doing here, you just need to write exact the thing. Please maintain your network. I hope you can see perfectly. Okay.
Sir, our network is perfect, but if you don't mind, you can share this video and the group in the
Yeah,
group. Then we
definitely. I
will
will try
learn
to
from.
share the group and you will definitely get benefited on it. But this is a live course, so you need to learn from the live. And this is the direct
Okay.
communicate with me. So that will be help a lot. So can I carry? So can I carry on this
Okay,
class?
carry on, no problem. Carry
Okay,
on.
so first the thing what I'm saying here, if you want to write A, so you need to write some bend straight line. So I already said here. So if you want to write A, you need to write some bent letters and please write it perfectly. Then you need to write again bent letters straightly. Please turn off your microphone, otherwise you can see my screen or probably you have a clear sound. So please turn off your microphone. When you just talk to me, just turn on. Okay. So what you have to do if you want to write A, you need to write straight line. Then you need to write again straight line. Please close the line and just close the A letter structure. So then you can easily write A. So this is the basic thing I'll share with you. So now it's your turn to write one line, just one line you just write and show me please. I'm exactly want to see your progress, what you actually learn from it. Okay, what's your name? You are writing so perfectly. What's your name? Ali sir?
My name is Alisher.
Ali sir. Okay, you are writing too much perfectly. Thank you so much for writing. And you need to write a lot more, but this is the class, so exactly I share the one line writing, but I just need to, when I started your homework, where started your homework, I will give you a homework. You need to write at least one page homework. Okay, so this is the first class, so we need to just share some step how actually you write, and I exactly told you to write.
Yes, from Sudan.
You're from Africa?
Yes, from Africa. I'm from
Okay,
Sudan.
so you need to write in 4-line papers. I've already shared in group, so you have to maintain this paper. Otherwise, you can't write perfectly. Though you write too perfectly, but you need to maintain the proper structure. So please do photocopy or you can print it out this paper what I actually share in this group. So that will help you a lot to write the perfect structures. Okay.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure you're from Afghanistan.
Yes.
Yes, okay, you are doing so perfectly. Thank you so much. And this look
Welcome.
like printed. Thank you so much for doing perfectly. So I hope you are
Thank you.
doing perfectly all the letters. So now it's time to write B, and I will just share with you how we actually write B. So let's see what actually I'm doing here. Again, if you write B perfectly, so you need to write straight line perfectly. You need to write circle, some steps are circles. So you need to definitely write perfectly. So I'm just explain how you can write B perfectly. You already write A and you are doing so perfect, everyone. Thank you. But if you write B perfectly, so you need to maintain some steps. The first step you need to write straight line. That will definitely help you a lot to straight the letter structure. So then what's the next thing you have to do? You have to write again. It's look like three. It look like three or not? It's probably three. That's the thing you need to write in the second step if you write B. So that's the step. Again, show you how you actually write. So you just need to write straight line again. Then you need to add the second step that look like a three numbers. So that's the structure, and you need to follow this thing, and you need to write the similar position with the same circles here. So definitely you need to maintain this. So in the first thing you need to write straight line, then you need to add the second step I've already shared here. So this is the thing you need to write and look. These the three lines are all very straight. Just here you need to write just bend, but this is the structures you need to write straight line first. Then you need to connect the second step look like a three. So I'm again say how you can write. Look, first you need to write straight line, then you need to add the second step, look like a three, and just maintain this similar position on this type of thing. So I hope you can write easily B. So now it's your turn to write B. Please write one line. Just you need to write this type of letters. No need to write these techniques. You just try to write in one line just B letters. Okay. So please write. Okay. You're from Bangladesh. That's my country, but you are living in United States probably. Okay. So no problem. I've already shared how you have choose A, B, and C, and then we will end it our classes because this is the first class, so I'm not pressurize you to write more thing over lots of things. I'm just sharing the basic letter structures, how you actually write, how actually I conducted this class. So I hope you guys are get a clear idea about it. So I think in the next class you have a no problem to take the classes while joining the classes. Please turn off your microphone when you speak with me, then just turn one. Okay, so you already write B perfectly. So how can you actually write C? You already learned A, B perfectly. So now it's time to learn C and look how you actually learn C. So let's see if you want to learn C. So you need to start from here and you need to circle perfectly because if you do not do circle perfectly, you can write C perfectly. So the first thing you need to do, you have to write. It is look like a circle, isn't it? So if you just cut 10% body of the circle, so you will get the structure of C. Look, I'm starting from here and this structure will perfectly bend. So this side will definitely be bent. And if you bend perfectly this circle, then definitely you write perfectly C. So the first thing you need to start from here, you need to start from here and just do the circle, and if you do circle perfectly, your structure definitely perfect. And you need to write straight, don't write like a bend, no, don't write like this because it's not perfect structure in English handwriting. So you have to write straight, and I'm again show you how we actually write. So look, starting from here and just doing circle, and I'm end it here and give the close line in this in the front of the C. So I hope you understand what I'm saying and what I'm doing exactly. So please
Yes.
write again. Please write again C. I'm just when you finish your writing, please show me. Okay, Russell brother, you are doing great again. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Your writing looks like so perfect. Okay, now Elastic brother from Africa. Okay, please show your writing. This is your first class, so I think you have some misconceptions. But in the next class, please bring 4-line paper at least, because if you use 4-line paper, it will help you to write perfect structures. Okay. Yes, you write C perfectly. Thank you. Thank you. Definitely help you a lot to use fourth line paper, and I hope you guys understand what I'm taking these classes and how actually I conducted these classes. So you have a lot of conception already you get. I hope in the next classes and the next casual when you join in my classes. So I hope you learn a lot of things. But in these classes we just learn A to C. But in the next classes we will learn how you actually write D, E, F, G, and others letters. In every classes, we exactly learn 5 letters, but this is the basic class I exactly conducted. So I hope you guys are understand what I'm doing and what I'm teaching you and how you actually show your writing.
Yes, sir.
And so that will definitely help you a lot. So I will just exactly teaching you in this classes A to C, and the next classes we will learn the others 5 letters. So I hope I'm pretty sure. Please bringing your 4-line papers, and I already shared in this group. So please print it out or photocopy it, and then please use it. I hope you guys are perfectly doing all the things, and I'm pretty excited to share all the things with you. And you are from different part of the world, so I'm excited to teach you. and please concentrate what I'm doing exactly in these classes. And I hope you guys are understanding a lot about handwriting and making the art of beautiful handwriting. So I'm super excited, and inshallah, you are doing so good. Okay.
It's sir.
Yes, this is our first class, so I'm not teaching more because I've already shared A to C, and I hope it's enough for the first class. I'm not pressurize you, so please do the homework in the next as well. We will see your homework,
Excuse me,
and
sir.
best of luck. And this is class. I hope you guys are understand what I'm saying. So thank you everyone for joining
Yes.
this class, and we will start
Excuse me,
again
sir.
in the next class. Well, thank you.